guys, Alex from ALTA. How are you? Coming to you from beautiful Jackson Hole, Wyoming. We spent a couple of days here shredding the dirt. It was super fun, a couple of hikes. Now we're headed to Bozeman. But I wanted to kind of quickly go over the setup on the rack. I got a couple of texts and comments on what we're doing here. This is the E-Quattro setup. We have the rack pretty full. My bike, Sarah's bike, Andre's bike, and then the Zeus. Sometimes I don't like the handlebar sticking out, so this is what I wanted to kind of notice. I actually literally loosened the stem on this and I'm spinning it. It's just 2 bolts, so when I bring this down I can quickly set this up, put the battery. I also remove the battery on here. This thing's almost 70 pounds, so with the battery off you get about a mid-50s, which is an easier carry. Like, why stress the rear vehicle if you don't have to? We got it all locked up. The way we locked it is like run multiple cables. I make it look like a rat's nest, like really bad, like you don't even know what's going on. A couple of cables going through different cables, and then there's a U-lock to the top of the top bar or the main beam or the vertical post itself. The strapping, the way we got it, we're going to the door hinges. Got paracord wrapped around my door hinges itself, and I connect to the paracord so I don't have to connect to the metal. I got it going on one side, and that's that. How tight do you make this? You make it tight enough where the beam is straight back up, because once you put the back bikes on, this is going to want to flex back on you, and to bring the beam back you use these straps. And to test it is you look at the suspension of the vehicle and you press here and the van is moving, not the rack itself. So it's solid. Being part of the vehicle itself creates a synchronization of the rack bikes and the vehicle suspension. So when you're going through windy road like we're about to hit, going through Wilson's and you know, we're gonna go ride Jimmy's mom probably twice. You guys have a good day. This is Ali from ALTA coming to you with Ava from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Have a great day, y'all.